Okay guys, all right, are you back for another awesome quick riff? Yes, all right, so I've got one right here. It's another, I did one on the main chorus riff for More Than a Feeling. I'm now gonna just do the lead guitar line on the bridge. Really easy, but if it's your first time doing bends, it's a great one to do. Really easy because we're only doing a 1 fret bend. A 1 fret bend. Yeah, so anyway, so let me play it. And that speed. Okay, so let's get right to it here. Okay, we're going to be on string 2 here for the most part, and my 3rd finger is going to be on the 12th fret of string 2. Now, when I do bends, I always want to have helper fingers with me. So what are helper fingers? Those are fingers that are on the same string, but you know, 1 fret up above. So you can see I'm not just pushing with my 3rd finger, which I can certainly do. My fingers are strong enough, but it's if I have 2 other fingers helping me to bend, you know, I can do a bigger bend. So it's a great habit to have with having 2 other fingers to help you bend. Anyways, back to our lick here, our riff. So I'm bending the string from making the note sound at the 12th fret as if I played it at the 13th fret. So I am making it sound like the, but I'm going, hear that? So it's kind of a different sound, but so when you bend here, you always want to test your bends. So if I'm bending up 1 fret, so in this case I'm going to make the note sound like this. When I bend, I ask myself, self, did I bend up to the 13th fret there? And I might play it back and say, yes, self, I indeed did bend up to the 13th fret, and it was most gratifying. So anyway, so that's how I test my bends while talking to myself, of course. So the first part of the lick is a bend, a 1 fret bend, and then you're gonna play at the 12th fret again, unbent. So far we have, then you're going to do something called a bend and release. What you're going to do is you're going to bend up to the 13th fret, and then without picking, you're going to make the string go straight again. So that's it. So this is what we have so far. Bend, pick it, unbent, then we do a bend and release, and then at the 10th fret of string 2, then we're going to do another bend and release at the 12th fret of string 2. And then we're going to pick some notes. That's 10, 12, 10 on string 2. You can see I'm using my 1st and 3rd fingers. And then my last note is on the 12th fret on string 3. You also might notice that I'm doing something called vibrato. Hear that? That's a little teeny bend, but it adds to your style when you play. So, all right, and that is our bridge lead lick for More Than a Feeling, and by Boston. And if you're interested in guitar lessons from us, we have an awesome link in the description below where you can set yourself up for a free Zoom lesson, a free lesson on Zoom with one of our instructors in live and in person. And during that lesson, they'll learn your goals on guitar and develop a plan. So should you decide to continue to take lessons with us to help you get you where you want to be as fast as possible on guitar, all while having a lot of fun. Learning and playing guitar is an amazing thing, and it never ends. You know, me, after nearly 40 years of playing the guitar, I am still learning and growing, and you can too. So anyways, check out that link. Set yourself up for a free lesson, and we'll catch you next time here for quick riffs at Rob's Guitar School. Whoops! Whoops! There it is. Bye!